America, get ready to feel the heat. The Burnout Masters World Tour, brought to you by Powercruise USA, is bringing the wildest Aussie burnout cars to your back door. Featuring Kyle and Lucifer, Craig and Imposter, Lynchy, Brody and Overdone, Adrian and Skidmore, Pat and Batlin, Nick and Clickbait, Jack and Jacko's Lux, Cletus McFarland, nobody knows this guy, and Jeff Lux, Fireball Andy, and more. The Burnout Masters World Tour is about to take you on a ride of a lifetime where burnouts reign supreme. Remember the time we tore up Hoonigan's Burnyard? We're unleashing the power of these weapons of the hottest YouTube sensations in the country. Cletus and Cars, Burnout Wars, Powercruise USA in May and July for 2 massive events, plus 6 Summer Dragon Drive, Skids for Kids USA, 1320 at Kyle's Joint, Adam LZ's compound in Florida, and Western Champlin is putting on a dedicated skid fest for us at his compound in Kansas. This is going to be wild. Want us at your gig? Contact us at info@powercruise.com or head over to the Burnout Masters World Tour by Powercruise USA Facebook page for more information.